What if I told you that something you've always believed about reality is completely wrong, not slightly inaccurate, not misunderstood, but fundamentally broken? Right now, as you're watching this, there are phenomena in the universe behaving in ways that shouldn't be possible. Things that defy logic, ignore the rules, and challenge everything scientists thought they understood. And the most unsettling part? This isn't science fiction. This is real. And once you truly understand it, you'll never look at reality the same way again. For a long time, we believed the universe followed a clear and predictable order. Every action had a reaction. Every system obeyed precise laws, and everything, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, fit neatly into a framework we could study and understand. It gave us confidence, and it made reality feel stable. But as our technology advanced and our observations became more precise, something unexpected started to happen. The deeper we looked, the more inconsistencies we found. Tiny cracks began to appear in what we thought was a perfect system. At the center of this mystery is a fundamental principle that works flawlessly until it doesn't. Under normal conditions, everything behaves exactly as expected. The equations make sense, the predictions are accurate. But when pushed to extreme environments, whether it's immense energy, massive scale, or intense forces, this same principle begins to collapse. The rules don't just bend, they start to break. And suddenly, the universe stops behaving in a way we can easily explain. Now, what makes this even more disturbing is that scientists didn't just theorize this, they observed it. Real data, real measurements, results that have been tested over and over again, and still don't fully align with our best explanations. It's like discovering that the foundation of a building you've trusted your entire life has hidden flaws. Flaws that only become visible under pressure. And now that we've seen them, we can't ignore them anymore. If these observations are correct, then the implications are massive. It means that what we consider the laws of reality might only apply within certain limits. Beyond those limits, something else takes over. Something we don't fully understand yet. It suggests that the universe isn't as straightforward as we imagined, but instead, layered, complex, odd, and filled with behaviors that challenge our intuition. In other words, we might only be seeing a small fraction of what's truly happening. And that leads to a bigger, more unsettling question. What else are we missing? If reality can behave differently under certain conditions, how many other hidden rules are out there waiting to be discovered? How much of the universe exists beyond our current understanding, simply because we haven't reached the point where those rules reveal themselves? The truth is, every time we push the boundaries of knowledge, we don't just find answers. We uncover deeper mysteries. And that's what makes this so fascinating, because it reminds us that we are still explorers, still trying to understand a universe that is far more complex than we ever imagined. What we know today might just be the beginning of something much bigger. So the next time you think about reality, about how things work and why they behave the way they do, remember this: there's more going on beneath the surface than we can currently see. And the deeper we go, the stranger it becomes. If you enjoy exploring mysteries like this and want to understand the universe in a deeper, more mind-blowing way, make sure to subscribe to Mind Curious and leave a like on this video. Because here we don't just learn how things work, we question everything we think we know.